The eagle, a majestic predator, holds captivating traits. Its keen eyesight, 4 times better than humans, aids precise hunting. With wingspans ranging from 6 to 7 feet, it soars high, using updrafts to conserve energy during flights that can last hours. Eagles feature powerful talons, capable of ripping prey with incredible force. A notable fact: the bald eagle is the national bird and symbol of the United States, embodying strength and freedom. Subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.